Hey everyone, welcome back to another day in the life video. Honestly, this morning I was like, I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna get around to filming. And then I got up, showered, dressed for work, a little bit of makeup on, and I was like, let's do it. All right, so it's already about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've got a little bit of time before work. I've already ran my Roomba, ran the dishwasher, ran the sprinklers outside for the lawn. It's been a pretty productive morning. I'm still recovering from a little bit of a upper respiratory infection that I've had for like the last week that just doesn't want to seem to go away, but honestly, each day now I'm starting to feel a little bit better, so that is great. I was actually going through some of the stuff that I got from Stitch Fix last week. This might be like the first box in forever that I'm going to keep every single item. Like, I was just blown away. I was like, I don't know how my stylist keeps getting it perfectly right every single time. Like, I love everything in the box so much so that I have on a pair of jeans that I wore yesterday and I'm wearing them again today. So let me take you guys to the bathroom and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so these are the jeans that I'm wearing. They came already rolled up like that, but you can uncuff them if you want to. They are so incredibly comfortable, and I feel like the fit is pretty good. I don't have a belt on with it, but it feels like it just, yeah, doesn't really need a belt, especially because I'm at home all day, so I don't really need a belt, I don't think. This longer, like coral color cardigan came in the box as well. It has pockets. Oh my God, it's perfect. I thought it'd be perfect for an outfit with leggings, but like I said, these jeans are so comfortable. I really didn't feel like I needed leggings. I just love them so much. And I just paired them with a striped tank top that I actually picked up at Walmart for like $5. It's sleeveless, so it's perfect with a cardigan. I won't get too hot. But yeah, that is what I'm wearing today. And no shoes, because I work from home. So also, can we talk about how awesome my plant is looking? Look at this. She is loving life. That's what I'm wearing. I need to make something pretty quick to eat, and then I've got to put the finishing touches on a video for tomorrow. This week my videos were kind of flip-flopped because I was behind on some things, so now I feel like I'm getting all caught up. And I also feel like I did not blend something with my eyeshadow, or a pimple is trying to be a little jerk. I don't know. So yeah, that's what I've got going on so far this morning. All right, so I'm up in the office. I thought I was gonna have to like really clean up from yesterday, but it's actually not that bad. I did make myself some tea. I've been addicted to making myself like the medicine balls from Starbucks, only just making it at home. I've been surviving on tea since being sick, so definitely have to have some sort of tea, water, all the liquids close by so that I don't lose a lung while talking in my many meetings. Luckily today, I don't have a lot of meetings. So one of the things I need to work on today is taking some notes on this cookbook from my friend Jen. She has a channel here on YouTube, and she just released her very first cookbook, which is awesome. I got an early copy of it, and I want to flip through here and just kind of pick out some recipes and things like that. It is also going to be in conjunction with a couple of meal planners that I ordered. I accidentally ordered 2, so be on the lookout for that video because it is going to include a giveaway. And now I just need to sit down and plan my day. This is kind of what yesterday looked like. It was kind of a busy day. I need to actually check off some things that I did get done that I just didn't go back to my planner and check off. So this is how my day is looking. I typically put my top 3 right here, my schedule, what we're having for dinner. I just checked my work calendar and there's no meetings actually today, which is awesome. And then some business stuff that I want to get done right here. I already have this post-it note here, but I want to kind of keep it with me because these are videos that I still need to film or would like to film. And then I've just kind of got my running to-do list of things that sometimes I will add more things throughout the day. So this week it's looking like it might be a four video upload week for me, which is great because I've been wanting to upload more, and I feel like I have a better opportunity to do that because I work from home. So I really want to do what I can and provide more content for you guys. So one of the things that I would like to ask you guys to comment down below in this video is what do you want to see from me? I am home more, so there are more things that I can do with respect to like lifestyle, things like that. Not necessarily just sticking to planning videos, which I love, but to be quite honest, I'm ready to kind of branch out a little bit more. Not that there's anything wrong with planning videos, but there's just opportunity there for more, and that's what I'd like to do. So I'm going to wrap up all of my morning stuff, all of my morning tasks, and quickly do the thumbnail for tomorrow's video. This is something that I would have normally waited till tonight to do for a video on Wednesday morning, but I'm really loving being more than just the night before ahead. If anything, I learned last week, I don't mind not batching my content like a month out. That's just not my style, but I would like to be a week ahead if possible. There are some bits of content that I just can't do a week ahead, but being at least a couple of days ahead would be great. So I actually got this video edited yesterday instead of on Tuesday night, which is great. And yeah, that'll work out, and we'll get that done and rolling, and I can spend time with my family tonight instead of worrying about editing and all of that stuff and getting the final touches done. So I'm gonna get that done, and I'm gonna get started with my work day. I'm taking a bit of a work break to have some soup, and I was really hoping I had stuff for a salad, but unfortunately I do not. I went ahead and let the dogs out for a little bit. It was overcast earlier and looked like it was about to rain, but now it is looking a lot better. But I think I'm gonna enjoy my soup, have some water, possibly more tea, because it honestly feels like at any moment my voice is about to go completely out, and that's not good. That is not good. All right, I'm in a bit of an afternoon slump. I think it might be time for some coffee, but yeah, just working on some projects for work. I did spend a little bit of time at the end of my lunch looking through Jen's cookbook and finding several recipes. I think that I'm gonna give my kids like a different color post-it. I picked yellow for myself and let them pick out a few things. Kayla was looking through here the other day and she was like, I want to make everything in here. There's just a lot of great things in this cookbook. I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description so that you can pre-order it yourself, because this is going to be a must-have cookbook. Also, I am so over my voice sounding like this. Half the time I'm like, can anyone hear me? Because I can barely hear myself. Yeah, ready for this to be long gone. All right, I grabbed some coffee. I went downstairs, just checked on the pups who are now up here with me. Oh, you can't see them because my chair is blocking you. But I was like, oh my God, I forgot to take something out for dinner. And then I remembered the meal plan is sausage and potatoes for dinner, which is one of my favorite and easiest meals to make. And I remembered that we needed 2 of the package. It's like the Eckert's sausage, I think. We always get the beef one, but last few times I've only made it with 1 package, and Jesse was like, we have an 18-year-old son. We need more than 1. So I remember to have 2, and I usually make that with potatoes and like a bag of frozen vegetables. Honestly, it is so easy. Yesterday we had leftover chicken tortilla soup. Like, this week's meal plan is like a dream come true because it is nothing complicated, which is exactly what I need. I'm pretty sure nothing says that you've had a busier work day than having 2 sets of reading glasses on your head. You know you have a candle addiction when you're standing by waiting for this candle to burn out just so you can light this candle. This is one that I just found over at Target for $10. It is their Opal House line, and it is Sunrise Greens. It has bergamot and basil, and I wish that you guys could smell this because it is just perfect for like this kitchen space. It is a huge 3-wick candle. Really couldn't beat the price for $10 when you consider the ones at Bath & Body Works, even when they are on sale, are still more than $10. So I'm super excited to be able to light this one. Just need that one to die. All right, workday is done. I thought I was gonna make potatoes with our sausage and vegetables, and it turns out our potatoes were growing little friends. So we are not having potatoes. I think I'm just gonna make the sausage and vegetables on the stovetop and then serve it over rice. I think that that will work. I think it's gonna be fine. Battery's about to die, but they just came back with the verdict in the Derek Chauvin trial for the murder of George Floyd, and they found him guilty. And I'm just so relieved, just relieved. All right, I needed a moment to compose myself, and I'm gonna get back to cooking dinner. And of course, I don't think it would be a vlog without an update on how I feel about the Always pan. We are still using it at least a few times a week, and we still love it. I would recommend it. Just order with caution and know that you're going to have a decent wait. But it's an amazing pan. It is really a great pan. And Jesse loves it too, which is saying a lot because he's pretty picky about his pans. So once a good amount of the veggies have like this sort of crispiness on the edge, that's when I go ahead and add the frozen vegetables to the top. Of course, I'm going to mix it in, but I turn down the heat because really at this point we just need the frozen vegetables to thaw, and it kind of also helps them pick up some of the flavor from the sausage that's in the pan. So now I'm just going to cover that and let those vegetables thaw nicely and pick up that amazing flavor. All right, friends, that is it for today's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.